student of class KG. Here I am, your maths teacher. Welcome in our class. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. My dear students, I am your maths teacher. This is your maths book. Open your maths book and also follow my instructions. Open your book, page number 8. Here is an activity. What we have to do, we have to write the missing numbers. You can see this page, a very colorful page. There are the balloons and the numbers. Now, can you see a curved line? Which number is this? 1. And this block is empty. So we have to write the number which comes after 1. What comes after 1 and what comes before 3? Can you please tell me? Yes, 2. Which number is this? 2. 1, 2, 3. And what comes after 3? And what comes before 5? 4. Which number is this? 4. Again, drill with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me what comes after 5. Yes, 6. Which number is this? 6. Which letter is this? 7. Which number is this? 7. Again, drill with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? And what comes before 9? 8. Which number is this? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now in the same way, you have to complete this line as we did above. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to complete this column and write the missing numbers. Same way, you have to complete this column also. You have to start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, my dear students, can you see a bunch of balloons? Some numbers are wrought in the balloons and some are empty. So we have to complete this bunch to write numbers up to 9, 1 to 9. 1 is written on 1 in this balloon. Now we have to write 2. What comes after 2? 3. And here is 4. We have to write number 5 in this balloon, number 6 here, number 7 and number 8, number 9. The last activity of page number 8, in the first row we have to write number from 1 to 9 and in the second row we have to number in the backward counting. Listen to me carefully and follow my instructions. 1, 2, 3 is written already written. What comes after 3? 4. 5 is here. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. And here is 9. In the same way, in this row we will write backward counting. Backward counting starts from 9. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 8? 7. And we reach to the 6. Now tell me, what comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 3? 2. And finally we reach to the 1. So my dear students, you have to complete page number 8 in the way which I did it. There is couple of activities counting from 1 to 9. In the same way, you have to complete this column from top to the bottom and also complete this column. You have to complete the bunches of balloons to write numbers, and at the last you have to complete number from 1 to 9 and backward counting from 9 to 1. This is our maths lesson. I hope you all understand it. And till the next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye.